Hi, I want to show you today my bird ephemera pack, and this bag is loaded full of beautiful things inside. So I made using a vintage book page, and inside I made two pockets with music paper and some vintage fabric. I have a handmade fabric ripped ribbon that I made. I made a little booklet with different paper inside. There is a tiny little tag. There is a pocket envelope I made, and inside it's a journaling card. There is another journaling card. Envelope that I decorated, and this bag has 25 pieces at least, and 14 of them I decorated or I made the whole thing. So there are some book pages here, but more on the other side. A little glassine bag with some bird images. A little tag. There is a larger tag, all decorated with collages that I made, and I used my sewing machine around for most of the pieces, and I used most of the paper that I use are vintage paper, vintage images from books. There are also newer paper from scrapbook paper, and I used vintage fabric. There is a tall journaling card I decorated with a vintage stamp, places for you to write. I made this folder. It's like a folder, and there's places for you to write, and also in the back. And I made this for you to decorate your journal. It's like a corner pocket or a corner tuck spot. So what you can do, you can glue on the page this way, and you can store your cards or whatever you want to store. You can use it to decorate. And there are larger cut out pieces, larger bird images, and there are some more vintage book pages. I think they're all from different bird books. So this is my bird ephemera pack, and I hope you like it. Bye!